Hey, this is Mr. Reyes here to show you that math is a skill that you can learn. Today we're talking about some probability. Chloe rolls a standard 6-sided die numbered 1 to 6. Which word or phrase describes the probability that she will roll an even number? So we've got the die, and it has the 6 sides as always. Let's pretend that I can draw equal sized squares. So these are the different sides it can land on. It could land on the 1, it could land on 2, it could land on 3. I know that my drawings are not the best. It could land on 4, it could land on 5, and it could land on 6. So we've got all the possibilities here, and which word or phrase describes the probability she will roll an even number? So let's look at these words first. An equal chance, or 50-50. That means it is equal. If you remembered in our last activity where you had the spinner, and if you had half of it blue and half of it red, then that would be an equal chance. I know my red's actually a little smaller if you really look closely, but you get the idea. An equal chance would be half and half. And then the certain would mean it is 100%. Like, there's no way this wouldn't happen. So that would be if the spinner was completely one color. If the spinner were completely one color, that would mean it is certain that it will land on red, and impossible that it would land on blue, because there isn't even a blue space to land on. So it's impossible. Now, unlikely would mean, okay, it might happen, but it's less than half of the possibilities that it would happen. So let's say if we had a spinner that looked like this. Okay, and we asked what are the chances that it lands on, we'll just say black and white, that it lands on the white part. We'll say, well, it's more likely to land on the black part, but it could land on the white part. That's when you would say unlikely. So now, back to this situation that we were in particular, the die, and it has 6 possibilities. Now, we want it to land, we want to see how likely it is to land on an even number. So we've got, this one is odd, so that would not be even. 4 would be even, so that would be a good one. 5 would be odd, so that's not going to count. And 3 would be odd as well. 6 is even, 2 is even. So it's actually half and half. So we're going to say 50-50. Now, Ethan has a bag full of 19 strawberry chews and 1 cherry chew, and he eats one at a time. What word or phrase describes the probability that he reaches in without looking and pulls out a lemon chew? So this is how careful are you reading? How carefully? So he has 19 strawberry chews, 1 cherry chew. What's the probability he'll find a lemon chew? None. There are no lemon chews in the bag. He's not going to get one. See if we can do another one really quick. A 6-sided die. What's the probability they will roll a 7? Well, it only goes up to 6, so no way. That's impossible. We'll have to do some more examples in the next video.